Okay, so I came across this YouTube channel pulling in $23,000 a month just by narrating creepy stories, and I figured out exactly how to copy it using AI. Let's Read has 1.2 million subscribers, and I'm going to show you step by step how to build something similar. It's not a trick or a shortcut, but it's totally doable if you put in the work. Step 1. Write a script. The reason why Let's Read does so well is because they have interesting stories that pull people in. This is actually a combination of two great niches, horror and narration. People love hearing stories, and horror is a genre with a ton of fans. I'm focusing on narration in the horror genre today, but you can take the same principles and apply them to other genres like murder mysteries, children's stories, myths and legends, and so on. No matter what genre you go for, the story is at the heart of everything. To get some inspiration, here's what you can do. Find a channel that you want to be like. Go to one of their videos. I'll use this one from Let's Read. Go to the description and scroll down until you see Show Transcript. Click on that, and you should see text come up somewhere near the video. Click on the three dots and click on Toggle Timestamps. Copy some of the transcript, maybe the first 2 or 3 minutes. You don't need the whole thing. Now go to Grok, paste the transcript snippet you copied. In the chat box, give this prompt. Take this transcript and create a new scary story with the same suspenseful tone and style, but make it unique. It should be 1,000 words. The hook must be short and interesting. Make sure there are interesting twists and that you use clear, easy-to-understand language. Grok will generate a new script based on the style of the original, but with fresh details. Read through it carefully. You want it to feel creepy and gripping, like something you'd hear on Let's Read? If it's too short or misses the mark, just hit the regenerate button or ask Grok to make it more interesting. Once it feels right, copy your story and paste it into a Google Doc. You can read through it again and add your own little tweaks if you want to. This script is the heart of your video, so take your time to get it right. Step 2. Generate the narration. The voice in a horror video sets the mood. It needs to be clear, a little haunting, and pull listeners in. I'm going to use an AI tool called ElevenLabs for this, because it's got some of the best voices for storytelling and is free to start with. Click the link in the description to sign up for a free account. Once you're in, click on Voices and Library. There are hundreds of voices here that are male, female, high-pitched, low-pitched, British, American, and so on. To filter through them, I recommend typing what you're looking for in the search bar. I'll type in deep, then set the language to English here and pick an American accent. Listen to some of the voices that come up by clicking on the play icon. Matthew's voice sounds great for narration. Once you've picked your voice, click on Add, and then on Use. You'll see a text box. Copy the entire script from your document and paste it into the text box. If you're doing a very long story, you might need to break it into chunks, maybe 500 characters at a time, to avoid overloading the tool. On the right, you'll see some settings that you can change. The only thing I'll change for Matthew's voice is the style exaggeration, so I'll drag that to 50 to make it sound more like a narration. I'll keep everything else the same. Click on Generate Speech. After a few seconds, you can listen to the audio. Once you're happy with the voiceover, click on this download button here. Step 3. Create visuals. What I love about the narration niche is that the videos don't need fancy animations, but it helps to have images that match the story's mood to add another layer of engagement for people who want to watch and listen at the same time. To create these images, I'm going back to Grok to get ideas. Copy and paste your video script into the text box. Underneath, write this. Give me AI image generation prompts for each key scene in this text. Hit enter. Then, copy and paste the prompts that Grok gives into a Google Doc. To actually create the images, my go-to is Leonardo AI, which you can sign up for free using the link in the description. Once you're logged in, click on Image Creation. Keep the preset on the default option unless you want a specific style from one of these choices. Now, go to the dimensions and make sure it's set to 16 by 9 because that's the standard for YouTube videos. Take the first prompt from your list and paste it into the text box. Click Generate, and Leonardo AI will create a few images based on that description. Look through them and pick the best one. Download it, then move to the next prompt. Do this for all of your prompts, downloading one image for each. It takes a bit of time, but you'll end up with a set of visuals that tell your story alongside the voiceover. Save them in a folder and number them in order, so you know which image goes where in the video. Step 4. Edit your video. This is where everything comes together. I'm using CapCut for this because it's free and easy to use. Once you have CapCut set up, start a new project. Click Import and select the voiceover audio file you downloaded from ElevenLabs. Then import all of your images from Leonardo AI. They should show up in the project library ready to use. Start with the voiceover. Drag the audio file down to the timeline at the bottom of the screen. Now, add the first image. Set its duration to match the narration for that scene, maybe 10 to 15 seconds. Keep going, adding images one by one, lining them up with the story's flow. If you're short on time, you could just place them roughly, but taking a moment to sync them makes the video feel way more polished. Next, let's add a film effect to tie the visuals together. Go back to the Effects menu and choose Filters. Look for something dark and grainy, like an old horror movie. Drag it onto the first image, then stretch it across the entire timeline so it applies to every image. This gives your video a consistent, creepy look. Transitions are important to keep things smooth. Click the Transitions tab in CapCut. Find one called Mixed or Black Fade. Oh, these work well for horror because they don't pull focus from the story. Drag the transition to the spot between two images in the timeline. Set it to about 1 second long. Do this between every image pair. If you want to experiment, try a black smoke transition for a spookier vibe, but don't overdo it. To really sell the horror atmosphere, add a vignette. Go to the Adjustments menu and find the Vignette tool. Drag it to a new track above your images, stretching it to cover the whole video. In the settings, set the vignette strength to around 15%. This darkens the edges of the screen, making everything feel more intense. Background music is the final piece of the puzzle. Horror needs sound that builds tension without overpowering the narration. Go to the YouTube audio library and filter for tracks with a dark atmosphere. Listen to a few of them and then download the one that you think will suit the video best. Now, go back to CapCut and import the music track. Drag it to a new audio track below the voiceover. If the music is shorter than your video, copy and paste it to loop, then trim the end so it matches the voiceover's length. Make sure to turn the volume down so that you can still hear the voiceover clearly. Before you export, add some polish. Click the first image in the timeline, go to the Animation menu, and choose Fade In. Set it to 1 second. Do the same for the last image, but pick Fade Out. This makes the video feel smooth from start to finish. Play the whole thing back to check for mistakes. If everything looks good, click Export in the top right corner. Set the quality to 4K at 60 frames per second for the best results. Save the file somewhere you can find it. Step 5. Upload. Go to YouTube Studio and click Create in the top right corner, then Upload Video. Select your exported video file and let it process. While it's uploading, work on the title and description. Go back to Grok and in the same chat as before, ask it to generate an SEO-optimized title for a 5-minute scary story video based on my script's theme. It should be catchy, but include keywords like scary story or horror narration. Then ask, give me a 200-word description with similar keywords, explaining what the video's about and inviting viewers to subscribe. Copy the title and paste it into YouTube Studio's title field. Do the same with the description. For tags, I'm using a tool called VidIQ to boost discoverability. Open VidIQ in a new tab and sign up for a free account. Connect your YouTube channel to VidIQ. Go to their keyword research section. Paste your video title and look for related or suggested tags. Copy them, go back to YouTube Studio, and paste them into the tags field. For your thumbnail, I recommend picking the best image from your Leonardo AI generations from earlier. If you want to add text to the image, you can head over to Canva. Start a new design, pick YouTube thumbnail for the dimensions, upload your Leonardo AI image, then add text like "creepiest story ever." Download the thumbnail once you're happy with it. Then upload your thumbnail by clicking Upload Thumbnail in YouTube Studio and picking the right file. Scroll down and mark the video as "Not Made for Kids," so it's eligible for ads. Set the visibility to Public, then click Publish. Your video is live. Step 6. Grow and monetize. Let's talk about making money. Let's Read makes around $250,000 a year, and you can aim for something similar over time. The first way is YouTube AdSense. You need 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours to start, which sounds like a lot but adds up if you post regularly. Once you're monetized, you could earn $2 to $5 per 1,000 views. If you hit 1 million views a month, that's $2,000 to $5,000 just from ads. Another option is affiliate marketing. Put links in your description for things like horror books or audiobooks. The more views you get, the more people click and buy. You can also sell merchandise, like shirts with creepy designs, or even a collection of your own scary stories. Down the road, if your channel grows, brands might pay you to promote their horror games or podcasts. The key is posting 1 or 2 videos a week to build momentum. If you want detailed feedback and guidance to grow and monetize your Faceless YouTube channel, join AI Income Friends. Inside this community, I'll teach you how to master AI-fueled businesses like AI YouTube videos, digital products, print on demand, affiliate marketing, and much more. When you join today, you'll get access to ready-made templates, tools, and cheat sheets to speed up your progress. Plus, you'll have my direct support through bi-weekly live coaching calls to make sure that you stay on track. Click the first link in the description to get instant access to everything. What do you think about starting a narration YouTube channel? Let me know in the comments below. And if you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos like this.